Hi everyone, welcome back. Plan my classic happy planner for the next week, which is now September, and which technically this is still Sunday of this week, I guess today maybe, and then the rest of next week because I didn't have this page because I hadn't printed. I had not printed September's pages yet, so I have them printed now, and I will cut them and add them and decorate them and do all that. So let's go. Okay, sigh. You can't hear it because I didn't put it on the camera, but I was over here growling because I definitely messed up this. I was supposed to hole punch it on this side, so we're gonna be like backwards, but it's okay. We'll make it work. I was gonna just hole punch the other side, but I really don't want to have holes on both sides of every single page, so we'll just, because they're single pages anyway, we'll just flip to the right page on the right day. And that is aggravating, but it will be fine. So, it's supposed to be like that. I was like, I don't understand how it's starting on this page, but, and that's why I need to pay better attention, but it's okay. We'll do it. I could reprint it, but I don't want to, so I'm not. Yeah, so let's just start on Sundays. I got new colors now to work with. Okay, yeah, I used this Beach Vibes. I don't know what this kind of sticker book is called, but this kind. That is super cute. Now, so this is where it comes. Oh no, Monday's on the other side. This is where it's like backwards, because usually it would be like flip it over this way, but it's like this way, so. Again, we'll make it work. I'll figure it out by the end of September. Which one do we want? And then maybe with that one? Let's do this one. that was Beauty in Florals. I really like this one. Super cute. Super cute. Okay, books are magic. Now we're gonna flip it the other way and do Wednesday. Let's look through Celebrate. All my books got a lot of cat fur on them. Probably because this is the method my cat uses to climb into the window, but I feel like we're sticking cat fur to my papers. Oh my goodness, we are struggling today. I got like all these stickers on Crooked, but I can't pick them back up because they're stuck. And it will ruin my page and my sticker. So, ignore the Crooked, please. Okay, that was Choose Happy, and I feel like I want something else, but I can't find it inside the sticker book, so we're moving on. And what are we gonna use next? Maybe we'll find something in Color Story. It's a big Color Story though, so. Alright, I like how Color Story turned out. That's a like cute color scheme, I guess. Which is like kind of going with the green and blue. Let's try Colorful Leopard for Friday. This Colorful Leopard. Yeah, I'm liking that one too. And so we've got Saturday and Sunday left. Okay, we almost got that whole sticker off without breaking anything. Okay, we put down wheat crooked also, so we're just gonna put down the other one's crooked, and then it'll look like it was intentional. That's the floral memories, happy memory keeping. It's for a big sticker book also. That's TJ taking his trip from the sticker books up to the little window. I really like this one. And that's all of them. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe and notification bell. And I will see you guys next week. And let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. We got Monday, Sunday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, Thursday, Sunday, Saturday. So don't learn your days of the week by me, but it'll work out. And at this point, we just have to laugh about it or cry, but we'll laugh. I guess we could also fix it still, but again, I'm not going to do that, so we'll just keep laughing. And yeah, so if you like the video, yeah, I already said all that. Thanks. Bye.